Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are on exercise number 13.3, question number 8. It says that a bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made up of recycled cardboard. Each cone has base diameter as 40 centimeter and height is given as 1 meter. So if the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted, outer side of each of the cone is to be painted, and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square. We have to find the cost of painting all these cones. The first thing it says that there are 50 hollow cones which are used as to barricade the bus stop from the remaining part of the road. And each cone has a diameter of 40 centimeter and the height is 1 meter. So if the outer side of each cone is to be painted, when we say outer side, it means only your curved surface area, right? It's a hollow cone. So hollow cone means no base, right? Only curved surface area is being painted. Now here we have to find the cost of painting all these cones. All these cones means all 50 cones. So let's start with the given data, students. Here they have given us the height as 1 meter and diameter is given as 40 centimeter. Now here first thing students, we are going to find the radius. Diameter से हम first thing radius find करेंगे. So radius r is diameter का half, that is 40 centimeters half, that will give us 20 centimeter. But now here our radius is in centimeter whereas the height is in meter. So students, you just have to change the units of either of them to make them equal units. So as we have already learned that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter will be 1 by 100 meter. You can use either of it to convert meter into centimeter or centimeter into meter. Here I am converting centimeters into meters. So 20 centimeter will be 20 by 100. That will give you 0.2 meters. So we have the radius as 0.2 meters and height is 1 meter. And as I said, we are going to just paint the outer side of each cone. It means we are going to find the CSA here. That is your curved surface area. Now curved surface area of a cone will be painted, right? Will be painted. So therefore, what is the formula of CSA? CSA is pi RL, right? So CSA of one cone will be pi RL. This is your formula which we are going to use here. But students, look in the formula. We have pi RL. We have the value of pi as 3.14. We have found radius as 0.2 meters, but we don't have L with us. L is what? L is your slant height, right? So your first step now for calculation will be to find out the slant height. So slant height square is equals to h square plus r square. This is actually slant height is given by the Pythagoras theorem as the vertex is perpendicular to the base, center of the base, and we are getting a right angle triangle. So here substituting the value, we get h square as 1 square plus 0.2 square. So L square will be 1 plus 0.2 square will be 0.04. So L square is equals to 1.04. Taking square root on both sides, we get value of L as 1.02 meters. Right, this is done. Now, therefore, we can find the CSA of one cone. Therefore, CSA, that is curved surface area of one cone, will be pi RL, that is 3.14 into R. R is 0.2 into L. L is 1.02 meter square. Now, students, the simplest way to solve decimal is to convert them into fraction. So this will be 314 upon 100. 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10 and 1.02 can be written as 102 by 100 meter square. Now calculating this further, 314 when 314 is multiplied to 2 into 1, not 204. So we'll get 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, 5, 12, 0, 0, 0, okay. Then 2 4s are 8, 2, 6. That is 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 0, 5, 6. I've just multiplied the numerators. Upon 100 into 100 multiplied by 10, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 zeros le lenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now the answer in the decimal will be 0.6405 meter square. This is the area for one cone. CSA, curved surface area of one cone. Okay, so therefore CSA of 50 cones, there are 50 cones, right? So therefore CSA, curved surface area of 50 cones, will be 50 multiplied to 0.64056 meter square. वन कोन का आपको कर्व सरफेस एरिया मिला है 0.64056 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो 50 का निकालने के लिए वी आर गोइंग टू सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई. So calculate the students 50 multiplied by 0.64. Okay, हम यहाँ करते हैं calculation. So it will be 0.64056 multiplied by 5. 5 6 are 30, 25 and 3 28. 2 5 4s are 20, 30 and 32. And this will be 3 decimals के बाद है आपका. Okay. मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10, यहाँ हमने 0 छोड़ दिया था. मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 मीन्स आपका एक डेसिमल आगे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. सो यू गेट 32.0280 मीटर स्क्वायर. दिस इज द एरिया फॉर 50 cones. Okay, but now the question is find the cost of it. Okay, cost of painting these cones, right, at the rate of 12 per meter square. So let's start. It says that cost of painting 1 meter square, per meter square kaha hai, right? So per meter square, it means 1 meter square is rupees 12, right? So now we have 50 cones. 50 cones ka area hai 32.0280 meter square. So cost of it will be multiplied, right? So cost of painting, therefore cost of painting 32.0280 meter square will be rupees 12 multiplied to it. So after calculation, students just calculate karo 12 multiplied by 32.0280. You will get 384 rupees 0.336. Okay, this is what you get by multiplying it. You can just verify, students. एक बार check कर लो आप अपना calculation, multiply कर लो by 12 से. Okay, you will get 384.336 rupees. Now this much rupees, this is the cost of painting all the 50 hollow cones, which is approximate to 384.34 rupees. Okay, so your final answer is, therefore the cost of painting 50 cones is rupees 384.34 rupees. I hope, students, you all are clear with this. Just check your calculations again. Thank you for watching this video. If any doubt, just comment in the comment box. Thank you so much.